Look at Mama. There's the baby down there. Oh, what is it? Baby. There's baby. Oh, my. Look how cute you are. Oh, don't bite Daddy. Don't bite the Daddy. Not hasn't forgotten what a dangerous hen you can be if you want to be. Hasn't forgotten. Daddy respects the hen. Oh! Look at that little girl. Look at those speckle spotted wings. And they had to get a speckle spotted wing kiss. Good girl. Look at this little one. What's her temperature? It better not be right. It's supposed to be 85 degrees and you shut this door, little man. Can you go get on your baby? Can you go get on baby? Can you go get on baby, please? Will you go get on the baby? Get on the baby. You're not gonna get on the baby. I'm just gonna let baby be there. I'm sorry. The only thing I'd say or think about that temperature is I had that in water. Now, I wouldn't think it would make any difference. It's still just a little bit wet. No, you're the bird. Maybe wants Mama to come warm him up. See, I didn't think we were at that 75 degrees or 76, whatever it was showing. I didn't think that was true. It doesn't appear that it is or was. What do you want? 85 degrees. We're getting close. Little girls eating their bodies. There's baby back there peeping away. Little girl scratching herself like a dog. You wanna make a doo-doo? Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl, yes. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Hey, doo-doo, little girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Come here, good little girl. You did make a potty? Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Heater's back on. Looks like we're maybe just a shade under 84 degrees.